What are the risks of untreated sleep apnea, and how can it affect overall health?
If left undiagnosed for too long, it can actually impact someone's mortality and their lifespan. And people have sudden death from severe sleep apnea that's left untreated. That's one reason it's so important to check it out. But just your quality of life is severely impacted. You're tired, you don't feel well, you don't think straight. There's a higher incidence of depression in people that have sleep apnea. People can develop hypertension. They can have higher incidence of heart disease. So it can have a significant impact on quality of life as well. You just don't feel well, you don't have a lot of motivation, you just feel tired all the time.
Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.